My name is Jessica. I work for ASTI. I think one of the conditions to a feminist approach to external affairs, foreign policy, is to have the same approach with internal affairs. When it comes to my work in migrants' rights defense organization, we unfortunately often see that a group of vulnerable women are a bit neglected by our policies. I think of third country nationals, and more specifically undocumented third country nationals. Worldwide, it's the group that is most exposed to human trafficking, sexual exploitation, but also domestic violence, not because they come from abroad, but because they have a more difficult access to their rights. And therefore, it's very important to specifically target that group. And unfortunately, our policies still don't do that today. So that's one of our wish as ASTI, to really focus also on that intersectional approach here in Luxembourg in order to have the ability to have the same approach outside. One recommendation of ASTI would be to have a legal framework with guidelines on how to protect this specific group of women that are more exposed to violence. Irregular migrant needs to stop to be seen as a crime. It's not, it's an infraction, but those people are often victims of crimes and they need to be protected.